Dear friends, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Good morning. Hope you're all staying safe and keeping well. I sincerely thank all of you who have subscribed to this channel and follow the channel. If you find the contents of the videos uploaded in this channel useful, kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification or the bell button so that you can be notified when a video is uploaded. Kindly share the videos with others or in the internet. In today's episode of Know Your Body segment, we will elaborate on the endocrine system of the human body. The endocrine system is a complex group of glands and organs working together in the human body to maintain its health and proper functioning, particularly preserving the body's homeostasis, which consists in sustaining balance within the body in relation to its external environment. The glands of the endocrine system produce and secrete hormones, which are chemical substances, sends these hormones into the bloodstream so that they can travel to other body parts and control how these hormones are released. With the help of these hormones, the endocrine system controls, coordinates, and regulates the activities of the cell and organs in the body, such as growth and development, breathing and heart rate, metabolism, energy level, response to injury, stress, mood, sleep, tissue function, digestion, the release of insulin, reproduction, and the like. The endocrine system is constituted of hypothalamus, pineal gland, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, adrenal glands, pancreas, reproductive glands, namely the ovaries and the testes. The glands which make up the endocrine system are strategically placed in different parts of the body to facilitate the proper functioning of the organs of the body. The hypothalamus is located in the lower central part of the brain. The pineal gland is placed in the middle of the brain. The pituitary gland is found at the base of the brain below the hypothalamus. The thyroid gland is located in the lower front part of the neck below the voice box. The parathyroid glands are two pairs of small glands embedded on the surface behind the thyroid gland, a pair on each side. The thymus is found in between the lungs. The adrenal glands are placed on the top of each kidney. The pancreas is an elongated organ located across the back of the abdomen behind the stomach. In females, the ovaries are located in the pelvic region on both sides of the uterus, below the opening of the fallopian tubes. In males, the testes are located in the scrotum, placed in a pouch that hangs suspended outside the male body. Let us now briefly spell out the functions of each of these parts of the endocrine system. The hypothalamus secretes hormones that control and regulate hormones released in the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus also controls water balance, sleep, temperature, appetite, mood, and reproductive behaviors, and blood pressure. The pituitary gland, which is as large as a pea, is the endocrine system's master gland. It uses the information it gets from the brain to tell other glands what to do. It also secretes important hormones that regulate many functions of the other glands in the endocrine system, particularly adrenal gland and thyroid gland. Besides, it produces many important hormones, particularly growth hormones, that helps breastfeeding mothers produce milk and manages estrogen in women and testosterone in men. The pineal gland produces a hormone which helps the body know when it is time to sleep, besides regulating the timings of other functions of the body, such as when puberty starts and the like. The thyroid gland secretes thyroid hormones that regulate body's metabolism. Thyroid hormone plays a role in bone growth and development of brain and the nervous system in children. It also helps to maintain normal blood pressure, heart rate, digestion, muscle tone, and reproductive functions. If thyroid hormone production is less in the body, it can lead to a condition called hypothyroidism that can slow down all the above said functions performed by the thyroid gland. The parathyroid gland secretes parathyroid hormone, which regulates the body's calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood and helps bone metabolism and growth. The thymus gland makes white blood cells that fight infection in a person during childhood. It is crucial for the child developing a proper immune system within the body. The thymus starts to shrink after a person reaches puberty. The adrenal gland is made up of two parts: the outer part, adrenal cortex, and the inner part, the adrenal medulla. The outer part produces hormones which regulate body's metabolism, the balance of salt and water in the body, the immune system, and sexual function. The inner part secretes hormones which provide the body the fight or flight strategy to cope with the physical and emotional stress by increasing heart rate, the blood pressure, and the like. The pancreas is an organ that has two parts. The first part, known as exocrine pancreas, secretes digestive enzymes which facilitates digestion. The second part, called the endocrine pancreas, secretes hormone, insulin, and glucagon, which regulate sugar and glucose levels in the blood. The reproductive glands consist of ovaries in women and testes in men. They are the main source of sex hormones. In males, the testes secrete hormones called androgens, the most important of which is testosterone. These hormones affect male characteristics such as sexual development, growth of facial and pubic hair at puberty, and the growth of the penis. It also plays a role in the production of sperm. In females, the ovaries contain the eggs needed for reproduction. The ovaries also secrete estrogen and progesterone. These hormones control the development of female characteristics such as breast growth at the time of puberty, regulates the menstrual cycle, and support a pregnancy. To maintain a healthy endocrine system, you must eat healthy and avoid junk food. Avoid using products with heavy chemical load. Sweat out toxins through regular exercise. Manage your stress level well. Give yourself sufficient sleep and maintain a healthy weight. The endocrine system keeps the body and its organs in balance and functioning normally. We often go thoughtless about how body functions in our everyday living. It would be good to take time to think about how our bodies are maintained by nature. Such reflection can lead to a better treatment of our bodies. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.